A very good day to everyone. Today we'll be checking on the difference between ratios and fractions. Now if I ask you a question, express 3:4 as a fraction. You give the answer as 3/4. But well, that's a wrong answer. But if you give the answer as 3/7 and 4/7, you're right. Let's try to differentiate ratios and fractions. Well, what is a fraction? A fraction is a part of a whole. That is, let's take an example. 4/7 or 4/7. How would you represent that? You would color 4 parts out of one whole which has 7 parts. This is how it is represented. But now talking about a ratio, ratio is a whole divided into 2 parts. They necessarily not need to be equal. The example here shown is 4:3. Okay, and in this case 4 parts are colored with green and 3 parts are colored with orange. This tells us that it is divided into 4 parts and 3 parts, which all add up to 7 parts, which is 7/7 or 1, which is a whole. So as the definition suggests, a ratio is a whole divided into 2 parts, and unlike a fraction, it is 2 fractions. Okay, let's try and do a sum and understand this. Quarter of the day and the rest of the day can be written as dash in the form of a ratio. I'd like you to stop the video for a while and try this on your own. Tell me whether you got it right or wrong. Let's move forward. We know that a day has 24 hours and we know that a quarter is 1/4. So to find the first fraction, we have to do 1/4 into 24. When you cancel 4 and 24, you're going to get 1 into 6, which is equal to 6. Now let's try and find the second fraction, 3/4. The rest of the day is 3/4. We know, right? 4/4 is a whole, 1/4 is a part. So 4/4 minus 1/4 is 3/4 or 3/4. To find the second fraction, we need to do 3/4 into 24, which is 18. How do we get that? We cancel 4 and 24, 6. 6 3s are 18. So we get 6:18, or when you cancel this ratio, you get 1:3. This means 1/4 and 3/4 add up to one whole or one day or 24 hours. Thank you all. Please support our channel by subscribing and do let me know what kind of videos you'd like to watch.